Ford diesel vehicles display an exhaust filter overloaded, drive to clean warning when the diesel particulate filter becomes full of soot particles. This is a critical emissions system that requires immediate attention. This warning appears when the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, has accumulated too much soot and requires a cleaning process called regeneration to burn off the particles. The DPF is an emissions control device that captures soot particles from diesel exhaust. It uses a ceramic filter to trap particles, preventing them from being released into the atmosphere and helping vehicles meet strict emissions standards. This warning is most commonly seen in Ford Transit vans from 2020 to 2025, F-Series Super Duty trucks from 2017 to 2025, and Ford Ranger diesel models from 2019 to 2025. These vehicles all use similar DPF systems. The system triggers this warning when the DPF soot loading exceeds 85 to 90% capacity, when multiple regeneration attempts have failed, when exhaust temperatures remain too low for proper operation, or when pressure differential across the filter becomes too high. Ignoring this warning can lead to serious consequences, including reduced engine performance, potential engine damage, and costly DPF replacement. A new DPF can cost between $3,500 and $6,000, including labor. The DPF system uses three types of regeneration to burn off accumulated soot. Passive regeneration occurs naturally during highway driving when exhaust temperatures exceed 350 degrees Celsius. Active regeneration is controlled by the engine computer, which injects extra fuel to raise temperatures. Forced regeneration is a manual process performed by technicians using diagnostic equipment. Ford has released recent technical service bulletins addressing DPF issues through ECU software updates, particularly for Transit, F-250, F-350, and Ranger models. The latest diagnostic tools now provide more detailed DPF loading percentages and regeneration cycle data, helping technicians identify problems earlier. Understanding what the exhaust filter overloaded warning means and why it appears is crucial for Ford diesel vehicle owners. This knowledge helps prevent costly repairs and ensures your vehicle continues to meet emissions standards. When the exhaust filter overloaded warning appears on your Ford vehicle, immediate action is required to prevent potential damage to the diesel particulate filter system. The first step is to drive your vehicle at highway speeds of 45 miles per hour or higher for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the system to perform active regeneration, which burns off accumulated soot particles. During this process, monitor your dashboard for regeneration indicators such as increased idle speed, cooling fan operation, or specific regeneration symbols. Never shut off the engine during an active regeneration cycle, as this can damage the filter. Prevention is key to avoiding future filter overload warnings. Regular highway driving is essential. Aim for a minimum of 20 minutes weekly at speeds above 45 miles per hour to maintain filter health. Fuel quality is critical. Always use ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel with 15 parts per million sulfur or less. High sulfur content can damage the filter and reduce its effectiveness. Engine oil specification is equally important. Use only Ford-specified low-ash engine oils. Regular oil contains additives that can clog the filter, while low-ash oils are specifically formulated for diesel particulate filter systems. For vehicles that continue to experience issues, advanced solutions are available. Professional forced regeneration services should be performed every 15 to 20,000 miles, especially for vehicles operating in urban environments. Fleet operators have found success with auxiliary power units to reduce engine idling, which significantly contributes to filter loading. Weekly highway driving protocols and scheduled regenerations have reduced downtime by up to 85%. The future of diesel particulate filter maintenance includes predictive maintenance systems using artificial intelligence to anticipate filter needs before warnings appear. These systems monitor driving patterns and filter conditions to optimize regeneration cycles. Software updates and hardware improvements are regularly available from Ford. These updates can improve regeneration algorithms and system diagnostics, helping to prevent future filter overload issues.